I held Twitter stock before Elon Musk took it private. Here's what happened. Back when Twitter was trading under the ticker TWTR, I liked the idea of owning a piece of the platform. I was owning a lot of social media companies at the time. I kind of used Twitter, wasn't my favorite, but it was a company that I preferred to own at that point in time. It was volatile, yeah, but it was also iconic, and I figured it was going to be there for some long-term potential. And so Elon Musk announced that he was going to buy Twitter for $44 billion. At first, people thought it was a joke, myself included, and then the deal actually goes through and Twitter was taken private. So maybe a month or two before this happened, I actually purchased more Twitter shares just to see what would happen for a company being taken off the public markets and going private. If you held shares like I was, you were forced to sell. The deal closed and shareholders were paid out $54.20 per share. If you bought higher than that price, you took a loss, even though the company didn't go bankrupt. It essentially just vanished from the public market, wasn't on the trading platforms anymore. Your shares just got converted to cash in your brokerage account. There's no more ticker, no more upside, no more say. Once a company goes private, retail investors are out of the game. It was a lesson in understanding what I call deal risk. Kind of where do I want to buy and at what share price is this deal going to go through? Just because a stock's still trading doesn't mean it's always going to stay public forever. If a buyout happens, you don't get a vote unless you're a major shareholder as to what price the deal is going to go through at and what price the shares are going to sell at once it goes to be converted to become private. So that was my lesson learned. It was interesting to say that I was kind of part of that process. If you want more stories like this, real lessons from real trades I have made, be sure to hit follow. Go ahead and like this video, and if you know anybody else that went through this process with Twitter, feel free to share with them also.